can also get certain informations about COVID-19 from Google. So for getting this information about from Google is we have to search COVID-19 India, and here we can see the informations about India is coming on the Google. Okay, if we click on statistics, the Google will start showing us the statistics. If we click on the symptoms, the Google will tell us about the symptoms. So now just talk about the symptoms. So these are the three different icons which Google are showing. That means these are the most common symptoms of coronavirus cases. So fever, dry cough, and tiredness. And less common symptoms of coronavirus cases are pain, aches, sore throats, diarrhea, conjunctivitis, headache, loss of taste or smell, rash on skin, or discoloration or finger or toes. There are certain serious symptoms which Google says that difficulty in breathing or shortness of breath or chest pain or pressure or loss of speech or movement. Okay, so these are the certain symptoms. Now this is a here we can see case overview. So this case overview is about India, and we can click on more location and statistics, and this will show a world map. This a map. So just wait for it. Yes, here's the map. We can just zoom it out. Okay, and yes, so this is a world map, and here we can see the data country wise. So basically state wise. So here we can see the total number of cases in India is 3,32,424, and if we click on New York, yeah, yes, so in New York the total number of cases is 3,83,324. We can refer that we are comparatively in better condition than USA. So we can see in a specific city of USA the total number of cases are much more higher than overall in comparison of our country. Okay, so we can further go downward to get the information related to India. So here is a data for India. Yes, so we can see the data state wise in our country, for our country. Okay, so if anyone who wanted to get data state wise, we can get this data from COVID-19 India. Okay, we need to search COVID-19 India, and we need to click on more locations. Okay, now we can see Maharashtra. The total number of cases is 1,04,000, which we can definitely refer that about one third of number of cases are coming from Maharashtra, and the recovery rate is much more much worst than in case of other states. Okay, so the recovery rate in Maharashtra is about roughly about 45 to 50%, and in case of Tamil Nadu the total number of cases is 42,000 and the recovery rate is somewhere around 55%. In case of Delhi the recovery rate is the total number of cases is roughly about 39,000 and the recovery rate is nearby 50%. In case of Gujarat the recovery rate is 66%. In case of Uttar Pradesh the recovery rate is again 66%. In case of Rajasthan the recovery rate, this is the state which has the highest recovery rate so far in case of total number of states having more than 10,000 cases. Okay, so the Rajasthan has a recovery rate of 75%. For then the West Bengal the recovery rate is 45%, and then the Madhya Pradesh the recovery rate is near roughly 73%. Okay, so we can refer that Rajasthan is the state which is showing a remarkable improvement in case of recovery, followed by Madhya Pradesh and followed by Gujarat. Okay, and further we can also check the data. So we can, from this graph we can refer the total number of cases in Maharashtra is increasing, but is now to the total number of cases increase in the cases are toward the saturation. Tamil Nadu, the total number of cases are increasing. Delhi, the total number of cases reached to a saturation, but now again started increasing. Gujarat reached to a saturation. Uttar Pradesh increasing. Rajasthan is increasing. West Bengal, we can refer that in further in coming days, this data will reach to a saturation. In case of Madhya Pradesh, the data was reducing, but now again started increasing. Okay, now if we further wanted to go for a detailed research about specific district or a state wise, so we have to go to the Google, and now we will write COVID-19 india.org. Okay, So this is the website which will give us the information specifically about India. Okay, so here we can see the data about India. Okay, you can get information about your city, your district, your state, your country. Okay, so the total number of confirmed case, active cases right now, recovered case decreased. Okay, and total number of tests has been done so far is 57,74,000. Okay, and yes, so now this is the data. We can also get the major epicenter of the cases. So these are the four cities. If we include the, so these are the five metropolitan cities, and out of these five metropolitan cities, these are the three metropolitan cities which become the epicenter of the coronavirus 19 cases in our country. Okay, yeah. Now, in case, so further, if you wanted to check, this is the website which continuously get updates. Okay, so Rajasthan, this red income, red marks increase in 78 shows that Rajasthan reported 70 recently. Rajasthan reported increase in 78 number of cases, and the Rajasthan also reported that 65 cases so far is recovered. Okay, recently recovered. Now, same with Haryana. Haryana just reported 119 cases is reported. Okay, and there is a data of unassigned people. Now, what do you mean by unassigned people? Unassigned people means these are the total number of cases which is so far is not assigned to any specific state. Okay, and you can also see that there is a decrease in 464 number of cases. This means that 464 cases has been assigned to some other state. Maybe it has been assigned to Andhra Pradesh, Haryana, or Rajasthan. So this is the total number of cases which is so far assigned to other states. Okay, now we can also get the informations in a graph. Okay, on the basis of graph, so you can click on any state. Okay, so suppose we can click on Jharkhand. Okay, so in case of Jharkhand, the total number of cases is so in case of Jharkhand, the total number of cases is increasing, the active cases are now reducing. Okay, and the recovery is increasing, decreased is more or less similar, and the total number of cases are also reaching saturations. And this is the district wide information of Jharkhand. Okay, so in case of Jharkhand, so this is the capital of Jharkhand. We can click on Ranchi and we can get the information about Ranchi. So total number of active cases in Ranchi is total number of confirmed cases in Ranchi is 174. Total number of active cases in Ranchi is 39, and so far 131 people has been recovered. Okay, suppose if we wanted to check information about any other place, in this case we can click on Delhi. Okay, so now this is the information about Delhi, and the Delhi has been divided into district wise. Okay, so this is the unknown, that means this is not sure from which district the information is the total number of confirmed cases are coming. Okay, so but we can check the information of central Delhi. So from central Delhi, 184 cases has been confirmed, and 184 cases is right now active. No one is recovered so far. Okay, so there is no recovery which we can see. Okay, about any other state, suppose if we click on Rajasthan, so Jaipur, in case of Jaipur, the total number of confirmed cases 2561, the active cases so far is 438, and the recovered cases is 190. Let's move to some other state. Okay, this is Rajasthan, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh. Just click on Madhya Pradesh and we can so Gwalior, uh, in case of Gwalior, 257 cases is confirmed, 85 is active right now, 170 is recovered. Indore, which was once upon a time epic center, so 4,000 cases is confirmed so far. Right now, the active cases is 1,000 and the recovered cases is 2,800, and 170 cases converted into that. Okay, so this is the data. That's how we can get the data about district wise. Suppose now I wanted to get certain information about a specific city. Okay, so this is giving us a data about Mumbai, Maharashtra. So if we click on Mumbai, Maharashtra, so this is the information. So we will get the map. This is Mumbai. Mm, yeah, this red dot is red dot is Mumbai, and Mumbai is so far confirmed 58,260 226 cases. Okay, so red means the highest number of cases. Okay, so confirmed per million is 893, active cases is right now is 49%, recovery rate is 47%, mortality rate is 3.66%, and total tests so far they have done out of 1 million is 5,399 people has been so far is tested, and the growth rate in of corona in Mumbai is 3%. Okay, and again if we check the data about suppose we wanted to check the informations about Uttar Pradesh. So we will click on Uttar Pradesh, and so these are the red. These red mark shows these are the districts which is epicenter, which are the epicenter in Uttar Pradesh. So Agra is one of them. Okay, then followed by which is this district? Okay, they are not showing. So these are the districts. Kanpur is one of them, Agra is one of them, and Gautam Budh Nagar, Noida is one of them. So these are three districts which becomes an epicenter, followed by Ghaziabad, Lucknow, and Jaunpur. Okay, and the light color shows. So this one, Lalitpur has only 4 cases. Okay, so that's how we can get the data from this website. So that's all about today's.